Hello everyone, I am HARSHA from Aeronautical and I am here to give a presentation on customer thoughts and feedback about our product. Name of the product chosen for this activity is YouTube. And the company name is Next Trend Creation. As you can see, this is the logo of our company. Feedback collected during empathy. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activities are not accessible to all age, no more ads, shorts video should directly get downloaded to gallery, content quality and moderation and global expansion. And based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, new features are added to the existing product. Features to be added are AI for thumbnail, supercharged discovery and interactive learnings and tutorials, creator or innovations. Futuristic product name is OmniView. YouTube changes to OmniView. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. And the mentor has advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. This is the future logo of our YouTube. So in testing, as actual working models are not yet prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. At last, I would like to thank the customer for sharing their thoughts and feelings about this platform. Their feedback is obviously helps us to what matters most to our community. Surely I'll improve your experience, and whether it's better content quality or strong safety measures, YouTube mission is to give everyone a voice and show them the world, and together we can shape the future of YouTube to make it even better for all. And thank you.